with regards to my cherry tree hand carving. I didn't think it was going to get so many views, but it did, so I decided to go back and do a little bit more work on that. I've created some negative space between the fingers there, and you can see in the video how I achieved that with a Dremel and some sharp bits, essentially. I just want to talk about the how the foam actually rests on there. As you can see, the hand is sloped to the back, and what I've done, I created this ledge here, and obviously the foam sits on that other part as well, so when you go to rest the foam, it just sits like so. You can see that, and that's how it is. I wanted to put my logo on the back there as well, with just a branding iron, so I just burn that in. And after I've given that a coat of Osmo oil, that can then sit out on the garden table, and I can just rest my phone on that. Anyway, I want to say thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. Let's get this done. Skinner. We're going to cut some detail, as in just make that line a little bit deeper so you can see the gap, some negative space. I want to really work that in to the grain and the gaps, and as the log is drying out, there's some minor cracks in there, so if you can see that down the bottom there. So I'm not sure it's going to get any more than that, because the log I've kept in the log shed there and just season naturally. Admittedly, I didn't take the bark off, but it's been in there for about 4 years, and that log was round about 5 inches thick, so it's virtually dry, I would have thought, apart from whatever the bark kept in there. Just to work that in there